Want to upgrade your morning coffee routine? The Sowtech Espresso Machine will have you brewing barista style in no time. The Sowtech Espresso Machine has a space-saving design that's easy to clean and ideal for small kitchen spaces. It can make up to 4 espressos at once. This constant temperature, single knob function, 4-cup, automatic steam espresso maker is easy to use and full of features, including a proper 3.5 bar steam pressure for a rich, smooth crema. It has a steam tube and manual frothing function for creamy, thick cappuccino foam. The kit comes with everything you need for making coffee, espresso, cappuccino, macchiato, and lattes. Make coffeehouse-style coffee at home with Sowtech's easy-to-use, easy-to-clean espresso machine. My morning coffee never tasted so good. Find the Sowtech Espresso Machine at the link in the description and subscribe below for more videos.